Look, you probably spent hours scrolling, reading endless specs, and still can't tell if that cordless electric mop will actually lift stubborn grime without dragging you back to the outlet. Let's be real, it's frustrating. The truth is, this video cuts through the noise, gives you the top picks, and helps you decide right now. Product number 1. ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Mop. Hold on, stop scrolling right now, because if you hate mopping as much as I do, this is going to change your entire life. Welcome back, everyone, and kick things off with the absolute star of our countdown, the ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Mop. Look, I was so skeptical at first, but wow, this thing is a total game changer. It is a powerful floor cleaner featuring a clever built-in water sprayer and a generous 300 milliliter tank, meaning no more dragging heavy buckets around the house. Honestly, the best part? It is completely self-propelled, so it literally glides across hardwood and tile floors, while the dual electric spin pads do 100% of the heavy lifting for you. It features an easily adjustable handle and a long-lasting 2500 mAh battery that gives you plenty of cordless runtime to tackle the whole place in one go. And yes, it comes in this gorgeous, vibrant pink color that just makes cleaning fun. Trust me, you need this in your cleaning arsenal. Go check the link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Sprobil 11-in-1 Steam Mop C021. Now, if you loved how the ScrubWiz Cordless Electric Mop handled your everyday floor cleaning, wait until you see this. Honestly, you are going to want to check out the Sprobil 11-in-1 Steam Mop C021. Wow, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. It is not just a floor cleaner, it is a complete, multi-purpose cleaning system. Look, what makes it so incredible is how it transforms from an upright steam mop into a powerful handheld steam cleaner in seconds. It features 3 adjustable steam modes, so whether you are tackling delicate hardwood floors, stubborn tiles, carpets, windows, or even refreshing your clothes, you have total control. Trust me, it makes deep cleaning feel effortless. Plus, it comes with a massive 15.2-ounce water tank and a 23-foot cord, meaning you can clean entire rooms without constantly stopping to unplug or refill. If you are ready to completely upgrade your cleaning routine without all the harsh chemicals, you need to see this. To grab yours right now, just head on down and check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 3. FODFINU 11-in-1 Steam Mop HD QJ216. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love the Sprobil 1-in-1 Steam Mop C021, you're going to be blown away by the next level upgrade, FODFINU's 1-in-1 Steam Mop HD QJ216. Honestly, this little powerhouse packs a 380 milliliters water tank, cranks the heat up to a sizzling 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and lets you dial in 3 steam levels, so you can go gentle on hardwood or unleash a burst on stubborn grout. Look, the detachable handheld unit turns it into a portable cleaner for windows, bathroom tiles, and kitchen counters. No extra gadgets needed. The 1-in-1 versatility means you can sweep, mop, scrub, sanitize, and even polish everything from laminate floors to tile grout lines, all in one smooth glide. Trust me, the 3-level steam control feels like having a pro-level steam system right in your hand, and the quick fill 380 milliliters tank means you're back to cleaning in minutes, not hours. Wow, the ergonomic design and lightweight body make it easy to maneuver around furniture without a hitch. So if you're ready to ditch multiple cleaning tools and go all in with FODFINU, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. BLONEX Cordless Electric Mop with Spray. Hey everyone, if you just finished watching my review of the FODFINU 1-in-1 Steam Mop HD QJ216, you're already a cleaning tech pro. Now let's talk about the next game changer. The BLONEX Cordless Electric Mop with Spray and detachable water tank. Honestly, this little powerhouse is a breath of fresh air for hardwood tile and laminate floors. Look, it's lightweight, so easy to swing around, and it spins like a pro thanks to the electric spin mop head. Trust me, the built-in headlights are a lifesaver for those dim corners. No more stepping on hidden crumbs. The detachable water tank lets you refill on the go, and the long-lasting battery keeps it running for hours. No need to hunt for a charger. Plus, it's self-propelled, so you can glide across the floor with minimal effort. Think of it as a vacuum's best friend. Wow, the spray function adds that extra touch of wet-dry cleaning, making every surface sparkle. If you want to upgrade your cleaning routine, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest deals and product links. See you all in the next episode.